Hello everyone, I am Maaz Khan from QA team. Today I will share that how automation transform our regression testing process, saving us time that take hours or even days. Traditionally, regression testing is time consuming and repetitive. Every time there is a new build, I had to manually rerun the same test cases. For example, in our regression testing suite, multiple installment loan process scenarios take hours if tested manually. This slowed down delivery and increased the chance of human error. So we introduced automation testing, which allows these test cases to be executed within minutes instead of hours. Let me quickly walk you through a demo using Zoho automation. I will start by running a login test. You will see automation script perform the login and verify a successful response. Next, I will create a test plan that includes multiple regression test scenarios. Once executed, Zoho provides a detailed result dashboard showing the pass, fail status of each test cases, helping us identify issues quickly. As you can see, automation provides faster feedback, greater reliability, and better visibility into our testing efforts. Thanks for watching.